wasn't really expecting to be making this video so soon, but as you could tell from the last vlog, we adopted a kitten, and they told us initially that the earliest he would be ready, because he still had to be neutered, would be on Sunday, which is like 3 days from the day we adopted him, but no longer than 2 weeks. Well, we got a call the next day, which is today, Friday, that he's ready and needs to be picked up by 4 p.m. So we officially have another cat, and he's so freaking cute. Come here. Oh, oh my God, he's Delilah. Or is that Oliver? It actually might be Oliver out there. The other cats are not doing too well with him, but we are slowly integrating. He's gonna be staying in a spare bedroom that has nothing in it right now, so hopefully they can get acclimated to his scent, but he's very tiny. His name is Arlo. He's very hyper right now, a lot more hyper than what he was when we met him. But we were in between 2 names of either Arlo or Finnegan, but Finn for short. But Ethan likes to name Arlo. So let me. He is so little. Arlo! Hello! He really likes this toy, which is good because the other cats don't really care for it too much, but he's very, very cute. Looks like a little lion cub. Say hi! Hello! He's 9 weeks old. What are you doing? Say hi! Oh my gosh. What are you doing? Oh! But we're gonna have to go out to the store today to get a few things because we weren't expecting him to be ready to be picked up this quickly. But I guess this is the cat vlog, so stay tuned. All right, we're out to find some cat supplies. We need some cat scratchers, so we're at Ross because we had seen them pretty cheap here in the past. And then we were gonna get little bowls, but I think we should be good with the little dishes we're using right now until he gets a bit bigger. And then we also need to stop at Aldi to get a few groceries, but he's so freaking cute. I just got some pictures of him cuddling in my lap. Adorable. What do you think of him?
I love him.
He's so cute.
He's very purry.
Very purry.
And just very gentle. A little crazy, but he's good.
Very good. Oh my God.
He would live in style.
That's very nice. For 40 bucks, a suede couch chair.
$11 or $12 or something like that. I'm bringing it.
It's so cute. But yeah, this giant cat scratcher for $5, which is amazing.
Little white pet hoodie. This big, this 12 pounds.
Yeah, so great deals at Ross. What are you doing? Hello? Hi.
So now.
You're playing with my cord. Can you hear him purring?
Good for you. Cat drugs.
It's about to get so high off this catnip.
Just trying to know how to use it. Can you get out from it?
Oh, it's like clumped. Cats are all gonna love your hands after this.
Good boy. Yeah, no, we do cords.
Cute. Oh. All right, we're trying to wind down Mr. Arlo so we can go to bed soon, but he is full of energy. He's got the zoomies and he's just playing with everything. He's very self-entertained, so, and he'll like meow a little bit once we leave the room, but he quiets down pretty quickly, so it's, I don't think it should be that big of an issue. Good morning, everyone. It is the next morning. We had a pretty good night. He cries for a little bit when she leave him alone, but he settles down pretty easily, so I really didn't hear him at all last night, which is good. But we got up about 5 minutes earlier than what we normally would. I'm say that today just so we could feel all the cats and get everyone situated. Hi. Hi, you coming to say hi? Come here. Come here, yes, come here. Hello. You're, oh. He's so squirmy. But I'm trying to put this, I'm trying to put this giant lamp back in the room because this bedroom actually doesn't have any lights in it. Hi. Oh. What are you doing? Huh? Where? There you are. This bedroom doesn't have any lights in it, so at nighttime we're taking this standing lamp out because he was trying to chew the cord a bit. So it's like pitch black, so I had to bring the lamp back in since it's still dark outside. And he was trying to escape, so I was trying to get him. Hi, come here. Get over here. He purrs so hard. Look at that face. Look at him. Hi. There he goes. Yeah, so we're gonna try and do our little routine like we normally would, but still play with him a bit. Just so he gets some energy out because we're gonna be gone all day. So, oh boy. But the cats are still pretty annoying. Delilah hissed this morning, which, oh my god. You're crazy. You're crazy. Hi. Oh, big stretch, big stretch. cute. I just want you to be able to be held. But you don't really want to sit still. I got too much to explore. Too much to explore. When we first met him at the, I think he was so calm and like, wasn't rambunctious, which is why we picked him. Hi. Hi. Yeah, definitely will not be keeping this lamp in here because he's way too curious about it. And he loves the cord from my camera. Say hi, Arlo. Say hi. What's that? What do you hear? The Arlo update for everyone. Oh, look at him. We got him a little collar today at the farmer's market, so he's got a little bell. But he's very vocal, and the morning and night is definitely best to get lots of snuggles with him. But other than that, he just wants to play.
Yeah.
He's just so cute. Alright, well, I'm kind of filming 2 vlogs at once right now, so I'm gonna end this cat vlog to continue my other one. So thank you all so much for watching on this little cat journey. I'm sure you'll be seeing a lot more of Arlo in the coming vlogs, but this is, I guess, the end of the first 48 hours of the cat. So thank you so much for watching. As always, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below to stay up to date on my latest content. You can also follow me on Instagram or TikTok at Graf100 to stay up to date on the content there, and I will see you next time.